In this video, we'll indicate how to make a filtration rig like the one shown. Among the materials shown here, a main part of the press is a flexible juice or yogurt bottle that is washed and then modified to filter liquids. Here we show the way that the lid and bottle fit together to hold the filter. Because solution is forced through under pressure, this can be faster than standard filtration with filter funnels, and also use less filter material compared to folding filters that need to fit into funnels. Here we show the ridge on the inside of the lid that needs to be removed so that a filter can lie flat across the bottom of the lid. If you already have a flat lid, then this step is not needed, so go directly to the step where holes are punched in the lid. You can make a side cutter using a section of a stick and a razor blade. Standard shaving razor blades can be used, as well as single-edged blades sold in hardware stores. A hole is created in one end of the stick using a drill or nail to hold the screw. The blade is screwed to one end of the stick with a screw and a large enough washer to hold it well. Then the blade is trimmed off on the long end so that just one small and strong corner sticks out to cut the plastic ridge on the lid. If you're using a stronger hardware-style blade, you may need to use a grinder and then snap the blade off instead of cutting with metal scissors. Now the cutter can be used to carefully cut out the ridge from a standard juice or yogurt bottle. Practicing will help with this step, and making sure to not cut completely through the outside of the lid. At the end of trimming, a filter disc cut to size should fit across the bottom of the lid. Some irregularity on the inside surface is perfectly acceptable. In the last step, holes need to be made in the lid so that the filtrate or filtered solution can pass through. For this, a safety pin, needle, or small drill bit can be used. After finishing the lid, a bottle can be used with a filter press like the one shown to filter soil solutions out of soil extracts. Here we'll briefly demonstrate the use of the press in filtering an Olsen or sodium bicarbonate soil extract.